A breakdown of the formula. Subject: the person or thing performing the action. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Auxiliary verb: to be. Am is used with I. For example, I am playing. Is used with singular subject, he, she, it, a single person or thing. For example, she is reading. Are is used with plural subject, you, we, they, multiple people or things. For example, they are shopping. Present participle: the main verb is in its ing form. For example, walking, playing, eating. Structure: I am verb plus ing, driving. He, she, or it is verb plus ing, working. We, you, or they are verb plus ing, doing, etc. Structure: affirmative subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. I am reading, she is studying. Negative: to make a negative sentence, add not after the auxiliary verb. Subject plus am is are plus not plus verb plus ing. I'm not watching TV. They aren't playing football. Question: am is are plus subject plus verb ing. Are you listening? Is he coming today? Example by usage. Action happening now. To talk about something occurring at the exact moment of speaking. Look, the children are playing in the garden. I am writing notes for my exam right now. She is cooking dinner in the kitchen. Why are you sitting on the floor? Temporary action around now. To describe a situation that is ongoing for a period of time. For example, I am learning Spanish this semester. He is staying with his uncle for a few weeks. They are working on a new project at the moment. My friend is taking driving lessons these days. Changes or development. To talk about activities in progress. The weather is getting colder. Smartphones are becoming more powerful every year. Her English is improving quickly. Pollution is increasing in big cities. Future arrangements. To express something scheduled for the near future. We are meeting our teacher tomorrow morning. I am flying to Dubai next week. She is having dinner with her parents tonight. They are moving to a new apartment soon. The present continuous tense is used to denote an action that is ongoing or occurring in that current moment. For example, Shara is in her car. She is on her way to work. She is driving to work. She is driving now at the time of speaking. She is doing something. She is in the middle of doing something. She has started doing it and she hasn't finished yet. Often the action is happening at the time of speaking. For example, please don't make so much noise. I am working, not I work. Open an umbrella. It is raining now, not it rains. Hello, Anne. Are you enjoying the party? Not do you enjoy? But sometimes it is not necessarily happening at the time of speaking. For example, Sam and Jane are talking in a cafe. I'm reading an interesting book at the moment. I'll lend it to you when I finish it. Here, Sam is not reading the book at the time of speaking. He means that he has started it but not finished it yet. He is in the middle of reading it. More examples. John and Sarah are shopping in a mall. John and Sarah are decorating their house. They hope it will be finished in a few days. Alex is jogging at a park now. Alex is a medical student. He is studying to be a doctor, but now he is jogging at the park. First, we don't usually use in continuous. Some verbs are not normally used in continuous form. You know, like, love, want, understand, believe, remember, need, prefer, mean, own, belong, seem, etc. Instead, we use the present simple. Say, I am knowing the answer. Say, I know the answer. Don't say, she is wanting some coffee. Say, she wants some coffee. Thank you for watching.